Yun, pabante na kami. Punta kami mag-picnic ngayong hapon. Yan.
Ba't may napuslit dun sa kwan? Bitel?
Nakita mo pa ilang anak ka?
Sa kanya yan?
Nalabsan niya? Oo.
Ayun yung puslit ko.
Oo, yung sasakyan ni Tito Ray yan.
Siya nag-drive? Hindi.
Siya.
Eh?
Doon sa
Oo.
buti yung batuin na itama sa passenger seat, hindi doon sa kwan. Driver.
Siya nag-drive?
Oo.
Kung may tao doon.
Dito na baliktad yung truck.
Bagtangan na ano, handa na ano.
Baliktad yung truck. May kagabuhanin.
Tu, di ka bugiw.
Yan, nagkalas siya ng cambio tapos
Paket na kami, pupuntang Janao. Punta kami Libog. Mag-picnic.
Malalak dito no. Kitang dami ng bahay niya.
Ikaw lang ang aking mahal. Kailangan ibig na walang hangganan. Ang nais ko apay ngaruda ako.
Sabi niya, ano na pinili ni mama may
Bakit ba yung ganda? Ayan yung dalawa kong dalaga nagtatago, ayaw pa video. Tara na diretso na. Oh, kaya't nakadmay. Yan. Janaw na. Kila Kapitan Rosa Kabungkal. Niya datimit gaya mati traktor dan Traktor da Charles ya. Malamin nagpudot. Hmm?
mag-alas ko pa lang.
Pito.
Sakto, pagdating natin hindi nang tumainit.
Kaya nga, ang init.
Init pa ng alas 3. Pumunta sila, mag-alas 4. Mainit.
JJ ubing nga men, agkwada, gragop da.
I would say burn the house down, but I don't think that will save you. Whatever she just saw was based on a true story.
And that story is hers.
Leaving the house won't help the city or even the country. This woman needs to leave the planet. I cannot fathom the fear of watching a horror movie and then realizing everything I just saw is about to happen to me. There's no such thing as a coincidence. This isn't the horror film. This isn't my house.
Yung lagi dyan eh.
Was Beefy's happy when Parrot pulled out the spyglass at the end, or was he sad? Sad in knowing that he was going to die?
Ang ganda o dito. Ayun. Daming masetas ito yun o. Sango da Antileia. Wala akong yun, yung bantay na may puting Ang ganda. May tinda to. Pag pintas data kayo oh. Barbaro amin nga kwa na oh. Bulong na. Napa, hananaawis. Hananaawis. Adda.
They were the last people in the mountain before that baby was found. So we just thought before the police show up.
One of you knows, and you better confess. I don't want my Lisa messed up like this.
Look, the police will be here soon. Can't you just do some sort of DNA test and the rest of us can get out of here? DNA results came in, and frankly, I'm not concerned.
Ganda dyan ng
The
ita.
rest of you out of
May
here.
mga
This
results
baby
sila.
isn't treated, he's going to die. So I have a vaginal exam.
Inawis mo
My daughter
garudi.
is 14 years old. She's not actually, I'm gonna come violate her body.
And you know what you did? I'll tell you what, you have my consent to do whatever it takes to remove you from
Sick bastard. A child's life is in jeopardy here. And it's not your
Nandiyan mit kinurangatan eh.
We didn't do anything wrong. Yeah, just because we're in there. Clean the trash.
Baka diretso tlugan ijay ayan. Libog. Ah? Ay haan. Napandatangin. Imposible awan pa eh.
You do that, sir, and I will have you arrested before you hit the borderline.
Pasalog. Asidig je karayanin nga papananin. Okay. Dahil mahal ang krudo, sa ilog muna tayo. Ala po ni naggingisit bit dito masabat tayan.
Kailangan ka niya. Tama ka na
Nala po bat gan lakas tamit gayam ditan. Dito yun eh. Ijay sa banda jay.
Medan di doon? Mabadi mo po dyan. Ito?
Kitain man si ka.
Ayan yan.
Ah? Ala nagtibag mitin la kay itan eh. Awanin na ibusin. Ne, ala, awan kay kayo na nawan. May bus day tabing sagdita.
Match the dress to the my daughter is 14 years old. She's not match the dress to the characters. That looks like Fiona's dress.
Ala ka, tilad na nang ipagpag na. Madadalan di bandad jay ngami. Jay. Oh, natulid tay danumain. Ganaman.
Match the dress to the characters. That looks like Fiona's dress.
Natulid din si Jay.
Dress to the characters.
Awan na ba?
That looks like
Ang dami yung sinasabi. Yan? Okay.